So why we suffer, why we're here, can't get answered by the small self or the mind. That the small self that thinks it's a mind, right? In other words, the I am, all that is the only awareness. The infinite I am is the only awareness that knows itself. It knows itself through itself, by itself. This is what the non-dual teachings call self-luminous. It illuminates itself to itself, by itself, through itself. And it doesn't have any objects. It doesn't have any qualities that we normally associate with the small self. It doesn't have a body, right? It doesn't have a personality. It doesn't have a gender or a name. It's timeless. And so the small self, Rupert describes it like, it's like the person who runs toward the precipice and comes to the edge. When the small mind tries to answer this question, it's the person that runs toward the precipice and comes to the edge, the small mind. And if the person keeps going, she plunges into the void and she dies. She falls off the cliff. This is the thought that seeks reality with a big R, reality. It comes to its own limit. The mind, the small mind, comes to its own limit and it plunges off the cliff into big R reality, and then it dies to itself. And when it dies to itself, that's when it finds what it's truly seeking. Its own dissolution contains the revelation of that ever-present I am nature.